Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a video from Behance. So first of all, simply come here on behance.net and then you just have to log in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here on the explore page of Behance, you just have to simply click on the option of filters. Then among the given options, you can just simply look for the option of GIFs or the videos. So here you can also use the search bar and then you can search for videos. So over here you just have to select that particular video which you want to basically download. So for example, let's say I want to download this particular video over here. So when I'm going to click on the video, if you are able to basically see the download button here, it simply means that the creator of this particular file have provided you the source code and the download link. So if the creator has provided you that, you are going to see the download button or the source file button over here. So if you have it, you just have to simply click on the option of download, and this way you will be able to basically download the video. So as you can see, after clicking on this particular video, it has redirected me on the gallery page where I can click on the option of Vimeo and I can download this from there. So if the creator hasn't provided the source or the downloadable file for the video, unfortunately you won't be able to download that. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.